Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and it's that time of the month where we take a look at the market share of the different Windows versions. Today is April 1st, 2020, and of course we are now looking at the statistics for Windows in March 2020. So, Windows 10 really dominant at almost 71% of all PCs out there. And of course, we had heard that the new number is official. 1 billion devices used with Windows 10. That's pretty cool. Windows 7, 21.21%. Now, that's still 1/5 of all computers out there, which is a lot of machines. If we look at this, just to give you an idea, in February or January, so we have February of 2020, 69.2% were on Windows 10. We are now at 71, so it's a jump of 1.75%, basically for Windows 10. So that's a nice growth, almost, very close to 2% growth month after month, which is pretty nice. So we, since the beginning of the year, actually, we moved on from 67.3 to 71. So that's more than 3%, or almost 4% here, which is pretty good increase. And of course has a lot to do with the fact that it's the end of support of Windows 7 that arrived. 21.21, if we look at Windows 7, in January it was 25%, almost 24.9. It went down to 23.1 in February, and now it's at 21.21. So if you look at the numbers, it dropped by 2% in a month. So fast drop for Windows 7. And I think it's a lot of people saying, hey, we're moving on now. Of course, it helps Windows 10. And that's a good thing for Microsoft. So Windows 7 declining fast. Windows 8, if you put both versions together, it's 5.8%. Now, of course, Windows 8.1 is the only one supported at 4.63. Windows XP still running 1.4% of machines, and Windows Vista at 0.56%. So dominance of Windows 10, it's obvious, and Windows 7 kind of declining fast. It's going to be interesting to see that trend through the year. Of course, there's going to be weird statistics, I think, coming in the next few months with all that's happening around the world that might play in these different, numbers a little bit. But it's going to be interesting to see as we go into April now in our look at everything Windows. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.